I'm Gabby, and you're watching Gabby Gabbers. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any other videos. Let's start! Hi guys! Oh, that's absolutely not. Hi guys, welcome back. Today, February 1st. Birthday. February.
Okay, go over here. I know it's so windy because when we go over here, okay, go like that. Over here. Wow. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to part 2. Super windy. Trying to walk backwards.
It's windy. It's like the snow is hitting our face, and it's with a 30-40 mile an hour wind, and the snow is coming down heavy still. I think it is still until tomorrow morning. Very dangerous to travel, guys, especially if you don't know or don't have experience traveling in the snow. It's so slippery, and the visibility is very poor. And if you can see on the other side, there's a bus. Yeah, that bus is running slow, but they have snow tires. It's hard to either walk, because you know you can feel the wind. Oh.
It's gustling.
I know, and the snow is hitting your eyes, face. You're walking into like a wow. This is the second snowstorm in New York. The first one, I guess, don't do that. The first one, I guess, is last December 17 or 16.
We filmed that.
Yes, we had you know, a good day with Gabby in the park.
Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any other videos, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to put a like on that one. So
okay, let's go over here because you know.
Please don't give me a down thumbs. Give me an up thumbs. We all want to be positive.
So right now we're walking into the road.
Really?
Yes, we're walking into the road.
Daddy, don't you notice anything?
Yep.
My map.
Okay. Why? What happened? Don't pull it.
I'm not pulling it.
Can you hold it? Hold it still. Okay.
As you can see, people are getting ready for this fight with the snow.
Yeah, so during this time, before the snow, you need to be prepared. What do you do, Gabby? Before the snow?
Before the snow, always get your jacket, mittens, snow pants, and snow boots, and hat, and mask ready to go.
How about how about before the snow? What do you need to get ready inside the house? Make sure you have what?
What do you mean?
Like food, water, flashlight.
Just in case if there's a tornado. It's hopefully that won't happen. And that looks like it got ruined.
Okay, come on, just go straight.
Oh my goodness. I really want to try.
No, over here, Gabby.
Oh, holy.
Come on, let's go down. I know, it's like a foot.
100 foot.
No, you're exaggerating it.
I made the biggest snowball in the history of snowballs. Ow!
Alright.
My eye!
Are you carrying a snowball?
No, I'm carrying a penguin egg.
All right. So look at this, guys. See how tough it is during snow days. We're trying to clear up the road thing. A snow plow came by over here. Well, I think there are like 2 or 3, but still there's still a lot of snow inside. People are trying to clear up their driveways, trying to clear up the cars so that anytime they can
I'm trying to protect my
Go out.
egg baby.
and in front of us there's a car that's probably stuck. Gonna move forward, and other neighbors over here use a snow blower. Okay, let's get to this side. No, over here, Gab, come, let's go over here. Come on, just go over here.
It looks like Santa was here.
See, others use snow blower. Okay,
I almost fell.
come on, just go straight, just go
Look
straight.
at my penguin egg.
Oh, penguin egg, that's a big one. And then you can see that there's like a tow truck or a pickup truck that tries to okay, we are on the intersection again. What happened?
Oh my god!
See, we are into this intersection. What is this, Gabby? Oh my god, this car is covered also.
It's our car!
Oh, it's Gabby's car. Alright, see this?
Is it still on?
Yeah, it's still on.
Oh my penguin egg! Yeah!
Okay, this is Gabby's school. It's closed today, and they said they're gonna be closed again tomorrow. And if you are here and with the wind, and if it hits your face, it's a little bit you know, it hurts because the snow. That's big.
No, it's flat penguin egg.
Oh, it's a flat penguin egg. Yeah,
They will
this snow, once it is scared by a 30, 40 mile hour wind, it's kind of like hurt your face if you are facing that wind with the snow on it.
Nope. Don't take my shoe again. Good luck. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright,
Ah.
see this, guys? And we're still, as what the weather forecaster said, we're still expecting more.
Seriously. Ah, really.
And what are you carrying, Gabby?
Nothing. Just snow.
Oh, is it a snow?
Help me.
Wow.
Someone help me. I think it's a
I don't
cat.
have a glove. See my hands? It's like red. And so I feel like it's numb
Yeah.
because it's so cold.
Did you even bring it?
Well, I have a glove.
Ah. Ah. Did you bring gloves?
Yeah, I have gloves.
Ah. Finally made it out.
Uh-huh. So what is your plan with that big penguin
God.
egg? Oh my god. Is it heavy?
Very.
Oh my god. You're kind of like wrestling. You wrestle it out of the... Where did you found it? Over
No.
here? Oh my god. Can you show it to them?
It's really big. It's something you would find out of how covered.
Does this
Oh, God.
slab of snow has a name? Can you let it stand again?
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
Stand, Angelica.
Oh,
You need to grow.
okay guys, here comes another wind. It's windy.